You live. Should be good. Where's my phone? Where the hell did my phone go? Ain't that awkward, chat? Now this is hilarious, chat. Oh. What a way to start it. Alright, well now I gotta sound like this then. How's everyone doing? If you guys can hear me, put some W's in the chat. Get after it, gang. Can you hear me in the membership call? No, Jamal, you gotta turn your thing on or something. I have it open right here. Discord open. I can't hear you for some reason. So send into there, and then just send it into here as well. Boom. All right. Let's get into a game. We got 2 minutes until session. Sorry, I can't find my phone. I'm like tripping so hard. I have no idea where the frick my phone is. But nonetheless, we back chat. Hope you guys are ready for another banger. If you guys were here last night, you guys know that Alright, we should be caught up now. Hello. If you guys can hear me, put some 41s in the chat. Actually, not 41s because you guys put just put 41s. Put 7s. I'm gonna put 7s in the chat if you guys can hear me. Put 7s. Okay, cool. We're hot. Alright, dope. Dope. We're caught up. My bad, chat. I literally, like I said, I can't find my phone. I was trying to find my phone to go live and shit, and I still can't find it. I'm sitting here like a fucking idiot. But nonetheless, we live. We chilling tonight. Got some work done. Got a YouTube video ready to post tomorrow. So I hope you guys are ready for that. And but yeah, no, Jamal, I can't hear you on the call for some reason. It says that you're muted though. Like I have Discord open right here, and it says that that you're muted. So I don't know. But let's go quickly over JAR 30, guys. We caught a banger on JAR last night. Let's kind of look at what we're looking at now. So we just liquidated these highs over here. Not good. Dude, I love this head and shoulders that happened like right here before ripping. I could see. Sheesh. 4 hours still looks so bullish. Where the frick is it? I feel like such an idiot. Chat, y'all guys, you guys got anything new to say? Any new updates? What are you guys up to? You guys missed me from last night, guys. We caught a banger last night. And if you guys capitalize on the trade that happened after, oh my god, you guys ate. Yeah, see this wedge occurring on GJ. I like these gold buys, I can't lie. $15-point stop loss. Wait for some more structure to be broken to confirm, if I'm being honest, but I like where it's reacting off of. For sure, for sure. I like that. I'll be looking at this. This is gold on the 5-minute. What's up, Alfonso? How you doing, G? Alright guys, so as you can see, these are the banger buys we caught last night, and as we zoom in, I'm still bullish over on JR30. As you can see right here, I love the liquidation of the lows that happened here, that then led to this break of structure, retapped, and then led to this break of structure back above. Now that we have a new hourly candle, now that we have a new hourly candle opening, what I do want to see is price pull back and tap into this 15-minute demand. If I go to the 15, you can see it better, but this is the 15-minute demand that broke structure. Looking for just a retracement down to tap into here, see if we can hold it. And I'll be looking for further longs to go. We already liquidated the low, so I'm not really looking for this low to get liquidated because it did form that, head and shoulders or reverse head and shoulders pattern that I always love, and point out is when price will, create a low, sweep it, and then hold it, leading to a break of structure. To me, that's a good sign of price, obviously holding here, and it's a strong level leading to the break. And then we're just waiting for a retracement to fill some gaps, come back in a discount, and then buy up some more. that make sense to you guys? Any questions? Makes sense. What's up, Louis? Why you guys quiet tonight, chat? I want to know what y'all on. Actually, let me. While we got Jer here, actually here, I want everyone for the next 1 minute. Everyone, let me know. Actually, you don't have to say your name because I don't really care. Everyone say where you're from, your favorite pair, and how long you've been trading. I'm curious. I'm going to read it when I get back. Let me look for my phone real quick. Found it. Everyone still say that shit in the chat. Where are you guys from? And all that shit. Post the link. My phone's cracked. Live on YouTube, live trading again. Here with the whole gang, waiting on a setup. Come join, click the link. Come join everyone. Come see what's going on. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's read some. First person to share is Louis with Los Angeles Gold. Has been trading since December of 2024. Nice, bro. Hey, you know a lot for trading. Only been trading that long, bro. Hell yeah. From Poland, GU is my favorite. Hell yeah, bro. How long you been trading, Oscar? Oh, he said 2 years. Awesome. Tony Gold said Baltimore, Maryland. His favorite pairs is gold and NASDAQ. He's been trading for 3.2 years. Shout out Tony Gold, real one. Known you for a minute now, bro. Hell yeah. We got Jamal, my dog. Jamal says he's from New York. He didn't say how long he's been trading though, or what his favorite pair is, but I think he's into indices. I think he said US 30 was his favorite. Actually, I forget if he said it was his favorite or if that's his love-hate relationship. You know when you like, you love her but you hate her at the same time, type shit. Bahamas, NAS 100, 2 years. Shout out FX Miley. I've been in the Bahamas. I loved it. Are you born there or what? You born there? What? We got Jalen from Kansas City. Dax. Dax is your favorite? Hell yeah. He said since the new year. Damn. So yeah. We've been trading Dax Kano since the new year, bro. Hey, if you're just starting out, bro, you're definitely in the right place. I would try and get some, get some proper coaching and stuff. You want to take a more, a little step up more serious, but you're definitely in the right spot, bro. Good shit. We got my boy Mercy Lago saying GPJPY. I think that's my favorite too. From Colorado. And he's only been trading. You guys only been trading 2 months. Damn, some of you guys are new. That's amazing. You guys are in the fucking. You guys are in the right place for sure. Belize XXXJPY estimated 2019. Oh, I said estimate. I mean established. My dumbass. Shout out Brandon. Also, I forgot if I jumped over. I'm sorry. Reading the chat, guys. Everyone, let me know where you guys are from and how long you guys been trading. Las Vegas, US 30. Favorite pair, technically since March of 2023. Hell yeah. Shout out Brandon. Life with Marley said Belize. Damn, what's it like in Belize? He said XXXJPY. Do you use like anything JPY pairs? Do you use the JPY basket or any, do you use any confluences and that's why you love the yen, or why do you love JPY? Thanks, sir. Yes, sir, Louis. Let's kill it. No, so FOREX was good. What you up to, my G? Yeah, lived here for 18 years. Down in the Bahamas. Hell yeah. US 3011. Hey, I don't have a favorite major pair to trade yet. I'm serious. Let's go, Jamal. It's good trading your full-time shit where you're just milking the markets. Nolani said Hawaii, 2 months still figuring out my favorite pair, but I used to be US 3011 hit, I guess. That's usually how it goes. You know what I'm saying? For sure. But I'm trying to get, I'm trying to get to know some of you guys. You guys want to share where you guys are from? Wait, favorite pairs. What's the pros and cons of funded account and the best way to pass them based upon your experience? That is a great freaking question. Great question. W for that. What is it? What does the stream look like right now, guys? How can I see myself? I turn the camera up. Whatever. All right. I want to do this for a real potentially. All right. So let's go. Murcielago asked, he said, what's the pros and cons with funded accounts and the best way to pass them based upon your experience? So there's definitely pros and cons to using funded accounts. I'd say the pros is not using your own capital and getting to use and leverage other people's capital. You know what I'm saying? Because you can go get challenges for just a couple $100, get funded those up to $100,000, and guess what? You make 2-3%. Guess what? You're making almost 4 times your investment that you put into it, right? So I'd say that's the pros, is really getting to leverage other people's money and only getting to use little amounts of money to get funded that amount. I'd say the cons is some of the rules and stuff are made and kind of hard, and they're kind of made for you to kind of fail. You know what I'm saying? There's a reason why they're pretty tough. So I would say that having to follow some of those rules is tough, and it makes it kind of hard on a lot of you guys' psychologies. Whereas in front of your live account, it's just a lot easier to just trade how you want, take quick profits, compound your account, not have to like submit a withdrawal and wait for it and follow rules and not trade during certain times. You know what I'm saying? There's just a lot of that. But the con to it is then not having as big of accounts. Because my thing is this, is that statistically traders do better when they have over like a $10,000 live account. So anything less than that, I think like a 5 to 10K is like enough. But if you have a 5 to 10K account, I still would only recommend you guys to be risking $250 a trade or $500 or something smaller, where you're not risking a huge percentage wise, where you're not giving yourself a lot of breathing room. I want you guys to kind of like have a bigger size account, risk smaller, and kind of compound it. And then if you do go on a little losing streak, you have room to breathe and you'll compound it back up, because it could have just been a bad month, whatever, you know? So yeah, I think for everyone out there who tries to put like $500 into an account and try and flip it and stuff, they're not okay with making only like $5 on a trade, or risking only $5 or $50. I don't know. Like, you guys just aren't, like, statistically, I think that trading has to do with probabilities and numbers and risking properly and stuff. Whereas like, if you're treated as gambling and you're just like loading up these accounts and like full leveraging them and stuff, bro, good luck. I didn't even get to do that, I guess. But guys, I wanted to point out, so someone said, what's a good lot size to use for a funded to 25 account? Asking because I'm thinking about getting one. It depends what pair you trade, you know what I'm saying? Because if you trade indices, it's going to be different than if you're trading a Forex pair. So, we shall have to know. We'll have to check it out. Let me know what pairs you want to trade. Buys on gold, what's good? Izzy, is that Izzy the homie or different Izzy? Buys on gold, yeah. I like them. I have them marked up. Let's wait and see if we can hold these lows. If we can like come down and fail to break and then break to the upside, get them like right over here. Check it out. Ski, I might. Honestly, at the end of the day, no, we're pretty bearish. So I actually drew this up last night, guys. That's why I still have this. But if you guys were on the stream, I kind of saw how we came and topped out in this area, where it looks kind of like a head and shoulders, right? I always go for this pattern. You see here to the left, head. We made kind of a right shoulder that then came and broke this structure right here to the downside. So once I saw this break a structure, let me clean it up so you can, you know, I don't want it to be too ugly. But basically, I consider this the new impulse leg, where the reason I had this up is waiting for retracement to go further down. So technically, I would draw this bearish fib from this low over here to here. And you'll see here, we're actually in discount for sells now. I do think down the lower time frames, buys from this area does look good. You know, on the 15.5, but then one like immediately when I went out to the hourly, I was like, wait a second, this does not look like we're ready to really buy. We're in like no man's land, you know, there's nothing really to play off of. It's more of like the lower time frames kind of showing us that, I don't know, we could get maybe a TP1, but I'm trying to catch a bigger move. If you really think about it, yes, there is a demand sin here on the 15 that looks pretty clean, but there's also a lot of stuff still down here under it that price could continue down to. So I'd honestly maybe wait for like a bigger liquidation above. Is Izzy the homie? Was good. Oh yeah. Your speculation on gold is playing out. Well, I think this can play out like, you know, coming down or holding and going higher. But like I kind of said, is that we might just only get like a TP1, hopefully a TP2 out of it, and then it reversing for sells. So it goes back to the fact about like trying to just catch a little part of the trend, guys. The reason why I want to catch the overall trend is if price is in a downtrend like it is right here, whatever, like if this is what price is doing, like this is the trend. Everyone take a good look at this. If this is the trend, would you rather catch these type of trades, little pullbacks, little buys, trying to like scalp buys, right, over just little bits of demand over to the left, or look for entries on these pullbacks or breaks here, following the overall trend, going for the bigger risk to reward, right? Look at the difference. Look at the size difference. It's as simple as that. That's why I like trading with the trend. Go back over to TRADERTV though, guys. We're coming back down. We're coming back down in here kind of aggressive though. Let's wait and see. Have hit my alert. All right, guys. Well, I wanted to go over last night also. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. You guys were on the stream. We called these buys up here beautiful. I made like 800 bucks, kind of easy. But this was the trade I wanted from the beginning of the night. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, I sent this out even before the stream, and even at the beginning of the stream, I pointed out when we were up in this area that we had the most perfect 15-minute demand right here with just such nice liquidity on this trend line sitting here, where I considered this whole box, this whole push where we kind of consolidated and led to this push, this is the impulse. So I was considering us bullish and that this was the demand that led to this push. So this whole time, all I was waiting for was price to retrace, take out these equal lows right here. You see right here, and right here. Beautiful lows to take out, equal lows right here. Then tap into the demand sitting right here. And guess what? Reaction with liquidity being taken out with the overall trend matching up. And look what happens, right? These are those setups that you just, I don't know. I go over this concept, like you guys have seen me draw this a million times. I know a lot, you know, I know a lot. I'd be on here just drawing, but it's the concepts behind it that makes the most sense, which has to do with establishing direction, coming down, creating some sort of lows to be taken out in the meantime. So what kind of model is this? I go over all the time. But we have a demand that's in the overall trend matching up with our overall direction we want to take price in. So obviously buys, because that's the trend. Buys leading to the impulse, the demand that caused the push, equal lows, aka liquidity sitting right there to take out, to then tap into our point of interest, where all we wait for is price to retrace, take out those lows, print the entry, to then what? Get into our position and target the excess resting liquidity in the opposing direction up over here. And that's all she wrote. And then we get the bang, 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 bang. I go over this concept a lot, guys. If you understand the concept behind it of what we're looking for when it comes to the direction, where is liquidity sitting? Are we pulling back to discount? Looking for our entry to then the continuation. Does that make sense, guys? You guys could literally like screenshot this and learn from it. I promise you, it has to do with, once again, direction. Where'd the volume come from? Here, the demand that caused the break of structure. We get some sort of consolidation and liquidity being built here, causing this here for like early buyers, etc. Then have the final pushback into discount, taking out lows, mitigating liquidity, getting the entry to then distribute in the overall direction back up. Then the liquidity that was built on the way back down up in these areas, right? So this turns into our target. That makes sense, chat? If that makes sense and y'all like that, put some fucking 41s in the chat. Sorry, I should be having fun now. But literally, like I said, guys, you guys can literally screenshot this right here. And it's on the stream too. You know, all these streams are recorded. And the reason I don't play music on these streams anymore, guys, is so that the recordings are up. Because if I play music, it gets copyrighted and the streams get taken down. So you guys will never get to go and watch them. But this makes it so you guys can go back and watch them if you want. I don't know. Some of you guys don't. Some of you guys actually do, though, which is crazy. Oh, look at that reaction. You guys can see here, break of structure. This is the 15-minute demand I was looking for a reaction off of, but we're on the 5 right now. See, one thing you guys got to point out is that if I'm giving an example or something, if you guys saw the entry I wanted on Jer, you guys should call it out if it's starting to play out. That I know. Or else I'm toast. Right? Ooh, perfect. Gives us kind of a new entry point. This guy's wedge, broke structure, we're pulling back in. Let's wait and see. Be greedy as fuck on the fucking M1. I'm gonna pull out my broker and stuff, guys, and just get ready. You never know. What do you guys think, chat? How many people we got here? Still 53. Guys, hit that like button. How many? 53 people here? 23 likes. So we're not at exactly a 50% rate. Let's try to get there, chat. I hate when I see like stuff like this happen because it makes me feel like buyers got in and they need to get stopped out again. But I like this entry right up in here too. I want to just catch this spike. Let's see if we can take out this low and get a reaction. We stick it out. I'm looking at it on my phone. I guess we did take so much liquidity above here. But then I would be going against the overall trend. So I need us to come and basically break structure to the downside for me to validate sells yet. You know, I'm not going to sell anywhere in here yet. If I want to look for sells, it would be coming down and breaking these levels. And then what would happen is I need to see it to break, kind of come back up, and then come back down for a re-break. And once we get that re-break, I'll actually start looking for sells due to a market structure shift. But as of now, the overall market structure is still bullish. I don't really want to fight it. You know what I'm saying? Who agrees? Ooh, look at that rejection. I like that. I like that. Ask me why I got. Uh-oh, guys. Gotta be careful because that 30-minute could just fly. Who's ready? Who's ready for a little trade? See right when this opens if we can flip and fly. I got my shit open, guys. Just in case. Volume's not really pushing like I want it to, but we'll see if we get like a flip. If we can fly through here with volume, could be a quick low stop loss break even, but looking for a low trade. Not in just yet, I'll let you guys know. You went on DAX? No, not yet. It's not passing into entry or anything yet, but I'll let you guys know if I pull the trigger. Coach Luca, what's up? How you guys doing? I'm glad that we came in liquidated. We're still in our point of interest. We've corrected into this fair value gap. We're getting a reaction. We just don't have a lot of volume right now, but I'm looking for price to potentially get a reaction and continue up from there. I'm gonna run and get water. If it prints an entry while I'm gone, stream's over. No, I'm totally kidding. But keep an eye on it, guys. And then also while I'm gone, I need 10 more likes. I don't know how many likes there are right now. Let me check. There's only 26 likes. I need at least 35. 35 likes by the time I get back with water, or else 10 SLs on your account, at least. You don't love me, you love the optics that come with it. Bow. Alright, it's a moment of truth if we hold her not. Holden sent me subscribed and liked. Shout out Holden. Shout out my dog. Damn, there's no top wick. This 5-minute win flipped, that'd be a good entry, but looking pretty bearish, guys. You know, there's no reason to rush into it. We're not in it. I'm not sad. We're not like we're hitting stop loss or anything. We're not in the trade. All we're looking for is what we call a POI. Everyone, what's a POI? Everyone in the chat, what's a POI? Someone tell me what a POI is. Point of interest, exactly, guys. So there's certain areas of interest. Why is it? Why is it like just because you're interested doesn't mean you have to, you know. Fuck, I didn't explain it that good there. But think of it, guys. Think of the concept point of interest. We're interested in a certain area to look for a reaction or a breakout, something to occur in a given area. Does it mean that we have to take in that area? No, this is just my point of interest. Why? You go out to the 15-minute time frame, and we had this 15-minute demand lead to this break of structure, and then have a sharp decline kind of back on the lower time frames. I liked how we kind of came, had these lows to take out into this fair value gap, and I was looking for a reaction off here. Was I 100% confident? No, that's why I didn't take it. It's just a what? Point of interest, because it's a trade idea of lows getting taken out, liquidity, overall direction being bullish. The only thing that could go against it that I was pointing out is if you go to the hourly time frame, look at how much this hourly faked out. We came up so much, aggressively got so many buyers in. There's so many people who had buy stops and alert set, and guess what? They get triggered in, and it's reversing, and we probably need to come stop them out first. So on the hourly, you could see we don't really have a top wick yet. So I'm kind of waiting to see if we can get a flip and fly from there. As of now, the answer is no. But doesn't mean that it won't be in, you know? That's a gnarly fake out, right? Oh, damn, it's 36 likes. You guys got me there. Damn. What should I do? I gotta do something for you guys now. What? I guess hit a banger. That's all I can do. That's all y'all want me to do. Just hit a trade. Just hit a fucking trade, Lucas. Stop talking. Like, what, bitch? I'm gonna go fuck how your day was. Damn, sorry, chat. What the fuck? I'm kidding. All jokes, all jokes. I'm telling folks to come watch this live. That's funny. That means I gotta be on good behavior. Yeah. Hell yeah. But I appreciate it, bro. All right, guys, look at that. What the fuck? Do I get a flip? Gotta get an entry or what's good, guys? Oh my god. You about to run it, Jer? What's good? Let's run it, Jer. Let's run it, Jer. We got a little comeback. I would love for this 15-minute to close and let's break 15-minute highs. That would make me more intrigued, but nonetheless, pretty fire. What's your major plans for 2025? Travel, change lives, trade. I don't know. I kind of want to make like, I don't know. It'd be sick to have like $500,000 in payouts this year, like prop firms and shit. And the other shit, guys. You know, I own other businesses and shit as well. I want to grow some shit. I kind of want to hit like 20K subs. That would be dope. I think we'll hit at least 10K subs easy. You know, we're already at 7K. So 10K I think is easy to hit this year. But if we could double it up and hit 20K subs by the end of the year, I would be happy. I think we could even hit fucking like 50K subs if I went really hard. And did like YouTube videos and shit. Dropping a YouTube video tomorrow, by the way, though. So stay tuned for that. Writing GU down right after I swept Asia high. Hell yeah, let's check that out. First said he. Oh damn, you took it after that. So beautiful. Aiming for the liquidity. Fuck yeah, bro. GJ still ranging in between there. Gold no bueno. After going through all those examples, it looks like, you know, I mean, the thing I want to point out is that we're obviously not in session yet, and a lot of times pre-session we don't get a lot of the best reactions or movements there because there's not the best volume and such, but still here. I mean, there we go. Get some sort of reverse and head and shoulders here into our entry above the highs. Let's run it. I think in 4 minutes at that 15-minute, what we want on the 15-minute is that we want the next 15-minute candle to open up, create a big bottom wick, show that we're holding support, and then go and then break the highs and fly. That's what we really want. So I'm afraid it's ready to look like it's in label. You guys can't hear any music or anything, right? Water. Water will save your life. What do we think though, chat? What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Two more minutes to that 15-minute candle. Let's see what we can do. Go break that high would be awesome. You eat around this time? No, I try not to. Try not to. Like I'll eat sometimes like right before stream. But actually not really. Like 2 hours before stream. What time is it for all of you guys? Everyone in the chat, every single person, there's 50 of you guys here. Everyone in the chat, what time is it where you're at? 11:45, 2:45, 8:45, 2:45. What the hell? It's 7:30 for me. I don't know what. $7:30 p.m. for me. What are you guys talking about? JR30 gonna sell? Can't tell you how many times I've heard that. And then you guys end up wrong and my shit just goes to TP. But it's all good. I'm kidding, because you guys can be right too. I'm not always right. But I low-key don't like when people share their analysis in the chat, unfortunately. Because like I'd be looking at buys and you guys are like, I'm looking for sells, and then like you guys have been trading for like a month and a half. And I'm like, oh well, should have listened to that. Yo, is that Steve Trades in the building? Is that the man? Twitch cut my hand, guys, while I was staring at my hand. That's all good. Chiefs or Eagles? Chiefs or Eagles? Honestly, I would say, oh shit. Chiefs or Eagles, I would say Taylor Swift. Halftime celebration, shows some titties or something. I don't know. That's all I care about. I'm totally kidding. No one go fucking clip that. Please don't. Let's wait and see if we can re-break highs there, guys. That wasn't really a strong, whatever it's called. I wouldn't call out the dopest little entry. Clearly just rejected super hard. Sorry, refs or Eagles. I'm dead. I'm dedicated to all sessions. London has been rough. Yeah. Better than New York though, or no? Point of interest, exactly. Nah, I mean, I'm looking at this. That's just, it could go lower for sure. We got 12 minutes till session. I think I'm trying to force shit. But it's all good. What if this hourly next? What if this was like a fucking pancake candle on the hourly, and then the next hourly just goes and breaks fucking highs? That'd be so gangster. And then guess what? No, say shit. Guys, the trade last night we caught was so G. Who was here for that? Bro, I want to be trading above the MAs. We're still below all my MAs and shit. I just want to pull the trigger. Just jump in for the gang, as 42 Doug would say. Let's just jump in for the gang. For the gang. For the gang. Isn't that song? Or no? Essential. Bro, I need to get a band-aid for my hand or something. You and Jared now, just wait for the woman to hide a break. You see how we have equal highs there? Just right when we break there with volume, guys, put a buy stop. I'll do that too with you guys. Sorry, my hand's all bleeding. I'll do that with you guys. I'll put a buy stop at this high. If we break highs, I'll put a buy stop. So I don't have to, I can still stare at my hand. By the way, I can show you right here. Oh, you see it's bleeding. Like a little bitch. You're at Central C Rapidus? What? Who'd he diss? Alright, guys. Buy stops. Get a band-aid? I don't know, bro. I would get a band-aid if JR30 didn't want me to just pull the trigger at these highs. I gotta just keep moving it. That's a bad sign. If you've moved your entry like 4 times trying to chase an entry, that's usually not good. Maybe it's just the volume. But it's all good. We have 10 minutes till session. I feel like once session opens, we're gonna get some good volume heading into it. In the meantime, let me just bleed out. In the meantime, let me just bleed out on the stream. Was that a ritual to the Forex gods? Yeah. I actually cut my hand in order for us to win TRADERTV. Alright guys, so I did put buy stops, but I don't even know if I keep them in. Let's see. 5 minute, 15, hourly, H4. Yeah, I mean, if we wouldn't have liquidated the highs, guys, like up here, if we wouldn't have done something like this above, if you look left, like way left, like over here, my bad. Here, these are major highs. This is the highest point in this whole structure that we've had before pulling back. And then what happened after we pulled back? We took the liquidity below, like I talked about, and led to a whole new distribution, which then we caught the buys here last night. So if you guys were on stream last night, we caught these buys, and now I feel like I'm kind of buy biased, not just because of last night or whatever, but also because, you know, I'm a trend trader, so you can see the trend's obviously bullish. Not only is the trend bullish, but then we actually led to a, you know, a good break of structure pre-session right here, and then now have retraced into my point of interest on the 15 minutes. So you go to the 15 minute, this is the demand that led to the break. The demand that's sitting below it is already mitigated. It is touched, so it's not as like, you know, high probability. So I'm just, you know, I really am just looking for a reaction in this area to see if it is an area we could go long for. If not, it could just melt. I won't participate in the sells if the buys present themselves in a way that I find valid. I could participate, but I don't really want to participate in the sells just yet, is all I'm trying to say. That makes sense. This is going to be a patience trade. Candles are getting a little bigger though, as we're heading into the session. Which is a good thing. Gold, please. Yeah, I'm pretty focused over on TRADERTV, so just don't really want to miss it. Gold looks like it's going long. It literally just mitigated the demand we had marked up. Just needed some liquidity sitting below it, get in some early buyers, and go a little bit. I would like to go long. Similar thing with this is that, like, actually, but gold actually looks pretty good on it though. That's the difference. I mean, we formed this beautiful head and shoulder, or inverted head and shoulders here. Kind of broke structure here, held this low, leading to a new break. We'll see if we can break with volume, but we do have 7 minutes till session, so session could open and just fuck us over as well, but we'll see. So close yet so far. How many funded accounts do you have currently? I actually only have 2. Not gonna lie, but I'm working on some with Apex. I never really got back into the fundeds after my Forex fund shit. You know, this whole last year, guys, you guys saw me all trading on a bunch of different what's it called? Actually, I spent the whole kind of beginning of the year on Clarity, but I had that large account with Hanko that I spent probably, you know, 5-6 months out of the year on. So eating lamb chops and the black while we was broke. Wow, guys, yeah, I feel like I'm chasing this trade. This is crazy. Who is this guy? Yeah, guys, a lot of liquidity sitting back below. It's all good. At the end of the day, we already swept what's above. I kind of wanted to look at this as kind of a break and retest to go long, but it looks like this was just the sweep that got a bunch of buyers in, and now we're coming back down to stop them out below. So no harm, no foul. At the end of the day, there's no entry. We still haven't broken. We still could hold, but as of now, it just looks like we're just going to continue back down. Like I said, that's what we say, point of interest. We didn't say right when it taps. That's another reason why with buy limits and shit can be hard, is you're not seeing the reaction in the zone. It'll just enter you in, which, you know, you can put buy stops, sell stops, buy limits, sell limits, all that type of stuff. And get faked out and shit. With ones like this, it's a little different. I listen to this song way too. Bro, guys, we're consolidating heavy right now. We'll see what the hourly does right here. She my prettiest problem. I hate that she knows she the shit. What do you guys think about it though, chat? If we break the highs, y'all jumping in? Oh, let's run it. Everybody get faked out during session. Oh god, that's not good, but let's run it. Come on, Jerry, you gonna give us back-to-back TPs 2 nights in a row or what? Let us know. What I say, like 42 Doug says, what a gang. Oh wow. We love that. We love to see that, chat. Ooh. That's a lot of blues on the screen for me. We got one more till session, guys, so we might have to go break even. We'll see what happens. At least we got shot into profit so that we do have the option that if the hourly does open and come back, we do have the chance to get out. Because the hourly could screw us, but looking good so far. Yeah, I'm glad I had those buy stops because I would have missed that. Up, and then the fake out. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. I could get out break even here, guys. I did low-key scaling one down here, so I'm in a little bit of profit. Actually, wait, why am I in so much profit? She making it quick. Bam, yeah, guys. So we got 1 minute till session, guys. There, boom, hourly open. Let's go. See, boom. Oh no. What was that? What was that? We almost hit TP. Oh my god. Wait a second. No. No, we were just so blue. No, we were just we were just so blue. What happened? God, I gotta attach my account onto here so you guys can see the fluctuation of the blue and green. Not the blue and green, the blue and red. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh, wait. Can you guys see? It's like blue as hell. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, we're back red. We're back red. Oh, just flip and fly. Oh, no, that's it. That's flipping. This is just gambling at this point. I give it put to this. How are the spreads here? I got a big ones. Well, that's why I said to have a buy stop. There's gonna be buy stops and stuff. It helps with the spread. It just enters you right in. Why you a hoe like that? Like, why you vote, bro, like that? Like, damn. She my prettiest problem. I hate that she knows she the shit. Am I lucky? I feel like I should get break even, but we gonna let it ride. UK 100. I'm not looking at anything else, guys. I'm in this trade. One trade at a time. I'm only negative 200 right now. I'm thinking about just calling it. Now I'm negative 40. Now I'm negative 200. Now 80. Now I'm in a profit again. This is why I hate trading consolidation. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Come on. Just give me a TP or something. Here, you guys can see right here again. You guys can see on the screen it going from like blue to green or green to red, green to red. But it's all green now, baby. Come on now, Jer. Hit our TP. TP smash gang. Let's go. Get those W's in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I am putting stop loss to break even now. For sure. But definitely get those W's in the chat, gang. We stay patient all night for that shit. We stay patient all night for that, guys. Let's draw our trend line up like this as well. See if we can maintain that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful execution. I'm up. Get those W's. Get those W's going, chat. We love it, guys. We love to see it. I'm thinking about closing a little bit there. Still up 800 there. Gonna hold close a little bit long. Guys, more W's in the chat. How are you guys gonna all come here and let me call live bangers you guys for free and no one shows any love? That's what's crazy. I might just stop the live streams then. We might have to. How many people we got here? 60 people, but no one's even gonna spam no W's when I just come here and give you guys free sauce. What kind of shit is that? That don't seem healthy. That don't seem healthy. Come on. I'm telling y'all, every single night, all the W's in the chat, should I have them coming through? But I told you guys to come on another live banger, guys. Stop missing out, flying off the screen. W's in the chat. Stop missing out on the live streams, guys. For free, every single night. Stop missing out on this freaking sauce. Let's go. TP2 smash. Damn, guys. TP2, TP3 smash. We are flying. Oh my god. Go. TP3's up here. TP2 smashed. TP2 smashed. TP3 up in this area. Wow, chat, that's crazy. All right, you guys can see here, I am floating $2,500 in profit. I do think this was a huge distribution up where I am going to close at least $1,500 profit right here. Guys, I'm closing half of my positions. Boom, closing 2 of that. half of here. So half of it is closed now, guys. I'm floating now 1,300, well now 1,500 because it's going back up. But I just closed some partials just to secure some. Let's see how much I did close. I did close 800. So I did close 800 so far. And now we still have around $1,500 still floating. So at the end of the day, $1,500 floating, $800 closed, and stop loss at break even. So the worst that could happen is I only make $800, which to me sounds like a pretty good day. Yo, let's go, Teresa. Teresa's back for the first W. Hanging out, gone. Place that feeling. Chat, y'all got any questions or anything about this guy's back at it again, which is another freaking banger. How much did you risk in a percent? 1%. I should have been risking 1%. Yeah, no, I was risking 1%. Wait, 1, 2. Yeah. Too easy. Stop loss break even, so it doesn't even matter. Do you think it'll bounce off your trend line and shoot back up? That's the goal. Some people definitely cap. How do you know it was going to break down trend when it was staying under the trend line? Was the head and shoulders? Wait, what? How do you know it was going to break down trend when it was staying under the trend line when it was head and shoulders? I don't really get what you're asking. I'm just overall bullish. I didn't really let like the short-term bearish thing get to my head. I saw the distribution pull back into here, looking for the buys, caught them, made $800, stop loss break even. Hopefully we hit my hopefully we hit my trend line and bounce back up. But like I said, even if I don't, still made money. Where's the guy who said JR30 is gonna sell? This is what I'm saying is I hate when people in the chat try and, not that you guys are wrong, but it just it crowds my judgment. So what if I didn't take those buys because I let some schmuck in the fucking chat tell me that it was gonna sell? Then I wouldn't have made any money. So that's why, respectfully, you guys are coming on my stream to watch me live trade. I don't really care what you're, I mean, I'm not trying to sound like a dickhead, but there's a reason why I stay like clear headed and I don't let too many people get to my heads. And yeah, so yeah, the setup yesterday ended up working out picture per. Hey, but I still made money and caught the ones after, so listen to Luca. So switched off the chat, but that doesn't make sense. That means that you guys couldn't like talk to me or anything. It's like, not all of you guys annoy me. It's like, just don't come to my stream. If I'm looking at buys, be like, oh, Jared's gonna sell. Like, I don't give two shits. Was a good decision to close what you close? Yeah, King, I know you haven't seen it in a minute, but I've been doing this trend line thing like right here. I already closed profits, but if I wouldn't have closed profits, I would have been closing them right here after this closure below that MA. But it helps me just catch the, I don't know, it's definitely for more scalping. You can't really hold as long, which isn't the best. But it lets you catch the distribution, and then I don't know. I just like it. Catches the impulse. Looks like Tori charts facts. I was with her today. Was with her today. Okay, we enter our retracement. Is the trade over? Hey, bro, I gotta say that I said buy stops for a reason. So you can just set and forget. You don't have to jump in. I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't have those buy stops, that would have been hard to jump into. That's why this shit's filled. I'm still in, by the way, guys. Usually on this trend line stuff, usually on the trendline strategy, I would already been closing and stuff, but I already closed good partials up literally all the way up here, which I'm really glad I did. Now we've come down. So if I can stop that break even, it's all good. I don't even care. I already did the thing. Steve. Welcome to 30s and Paco. DAX. Guys, so if you guys are on your broker or whatever, and you guys cannot see JR30 or whatever, it's called DAX. I was going to say, how do you know it was going to break the downtrend even if it was staying under the trend line? Oh, like this trend line right here? I just kind of let it do its thing. I literally just once again marked up all the highs and considered all these like this trend line is just a pullback into my demand area that I'm interested in. Because once again, this demand caused the whole push. So this to me is just a pullback. Looked for a lower time frame, liquidation, and then we broke. Like guys, if I see price liquidate before breaking structure in the direction that I want to go into, consider Luca in. I don't know what else to say. Dope. Another good ass close, honestly. Should have closed more, but I'm still in profit a little bit. This is why buy stops are goated. I had a second one I jumped into too, so once I get, I know on my screen, guys, it's showing you that, I know it's showing you that I'm at what's it called? I know that shows you guys that's at my break even, but I'm still up 200. Oh, I'm still up like $200. Oh, there we go. 90, 80. It'll hit me break even when it hits me break. I'm just letting you guys know. There we go. Boom, break even. All done. We out. We out. W chat. Bro, thank you so much for the signal call, Luca. Much appreciated. Of course. Of course, of course, of course. W, 800 bucks made. Back to back, like kind of smaller nights, which aren't the best, but guess what? Profit is profit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Last night I made like 700 bucks. I made 800. Yeah, kind of smaller nights. It's kind of gay. I should have closed more up there. It's all good though. Whatever. Ended up not taking a trade in VIP last night, guys. I only took a trade with Jer on with you guys, and all night. GJ had that big sell-off during London, but then they didn't really retrace or print any other setup the whole night. So I'm looking to take a trade in VIP tonight. That was just my first trade of the night. If any of you guys want to come trade with us, this is the link to join. Right there. You guys can go use code SALVA for 10% off. Where I call more bangers. So I really have been liking coming on here, calling kind of like JAR breakout volume trades kind of at Frankfurt with you guys. And then when it comes to London, I tackle that with my, mentorship, VIP, all that, whole gang. Whole gang goes crazy. So if you guys want to join the gang, use that link. I am going to be jumping off the stream in a second. I appreciate everyone who is here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I am dropping a YouTube video tomorrow, so make sure you guys are all tuned in for the YouTube video. If you're not, what the frick are you doing? No, I'm kidding, but going too long. You're the best, Teresa. Hope to get you back a part of it. And yeah, we'll see you back a part of the gang. Guys, any final questions? Let's do one quick little look over on GJ. GJ is looking like some beautiful sells right now. And I'll even lie, I might go catch those with VIP. Gold ended up buying over right after it swept that demand that we had marked up on the 5, and this is the 15 right here, guys. Lily just took out that low and then went up. So the whole idea was still valid, just kind of went below our area of interest. But that's what I'm thinking on GJ and gold right now. But oh, also GJ could sweep this low though, so everyone pay attention. It's looking like GJ is selling off pretty hard here, but pay attention to what happens after we sweep this low. Price could come, sweep it, and go long from there. Where can I follow the results for VIP? I mean, I can pull it up just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. I got nothing really to hide. Can you guys see this or no? Yeah. What up, mentorship gang? What you guys up to? Oh shit. Whatever. So like, you know, how it kind of would look like is I'll be like, oh, I'm looking at, you know, sell stop invalid. Oh, so that, you know, if I say sell stop invalidated, that doesn't mean it's hit stop loss. That just means that the sell stop I had originally. So here I'll say like sell stop on GJ. I'll either say active, which means that we got put into the trade, or I'll put sell stop invalidated, which means that, you know, it's not valid anymore, whatever. But basically, I always give you guys a markup of what I'm looking for. So look at like a buy stop on gold. Buy stop on gold. I'll show you the exact setup I'm looking at, and then we'll let you guys know when it's active. Boom. Let you guys know when it's active. Let you know when TP1's hit, TP2. You know, when London's opening, all this type of stuff. I don't really have anything else to hide. It's a normal, you know, looking at another TP hit right here, right after and the next day. Sell stops on gold, very close to London highs. You guys can see the setup. I don't know. I think it's a really good way to be able to learn how to take, because you know, you guys see it step by step. TP3 hit. Look at this. So I don't know. I think it's like the best group to be a part of that you actually can learn how I trade, because a lot of other groups and stuff, I mean, I don't know, signals are kind of hard to follow, but with mine, I think that if you do trade well, what's it called? If you understand the concepts, because a lot of you guys come here and watch me trade live. So if you guys know my strategy and what I look for on top of getting to see my entries live, you guys will be able to learn from them and then be able to hopefully get those entries on your own is what I'm basically trying to say. VIP is where it's at. Y'all should definitely join. No regrets. Thank you, Teresa. Appreciate that. Before you ask, I was in VIP before. Just had some others you take care of. Oh, yeah. Great. What was the coupon code again? Code SALVA. SALVA, send your link. Fire trade. I learned something every time, Luca. Hell yeah. Yeah, so if you guys want to do that. Oh, look at it. It just swept. Like I told you guys, this low just swept. There's a reason why they call me the GOAT. I'm not the GOAT, but I fit the description. I'm not the GOAT, but I fit the description. Look at this, guys. It's going to go right to TP. But, guys, I'm out of here. I'm going to go trade with VIP and shit. If you guys need anything, go join VIP. Hit me up in the chat. And make sure you guys are subscribed so that you guys can see the YouTube video tomorrow. And I'll be back live tomorrow. So if you guys like the live streams, come back, chop it up with the gang. You guys are the best. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow. 2 live streams this week and 2 dubs. If you guys made money tonight, please take a screenshot and send it into the Discord, or post it on Instagram and tag me. Here's the Discord link. Oh damn, I'm just kidding. That's not the Discord link. Salva, can you send the Discord link? So about that shit. Boom, that's the Discord link, guys. Go paste in there if you guys made some money or if you guys were just watching and show some love. Or if you guys want, take a screenshot, tag me on Instagram. I would love that. I'll repost it, maybe follow some of you guys and stuff. So, you know, always feel free to DM me and stuff. But I love you guys. You guys are the best. Another stream, another freaking TP. Stop missing out with the gang. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, gang. Deuces. I'm gonna chop it up with VIP. Hey, hit that VIP link too, guys. It's coming cake. Like I said, guys, 2 streams this week, 2 TPs. It's just getting scary out here. Getting straight scary. New crib, yeah, I'm on the move right now, bro. I've just been Airbnb-ing around. I'm gonna be flying to Florida next week, and then to Bali, and then Bali. I'm gonna go to. Oh wait, no, King, you've been trying to travel and shit too, bro. You should come meet up in like Bali, or I'm gonna go to like Thailand and shit too. I gotta hit Miami and New York first though, but after that, I'm going to like Bali and Europe and a bunch of places and shit. So, wanna join, brother? You're always welcome. So, hope to see you guys on the next one, and we'll go crazy. Damn, and we got the homie Alessandro back too. We got the whole gang back, bro. Damn, I was about to end it. Now do we have to stay for Alessandro? It was good, my G. Going live in the morning, coach. No. My wait, is that Jose from Blueprint? My coaching calls tomorrow night, not in the morning. But yeah, King, I'm gonna be traveling and shit, bro. I'm just trying to go see the world a little bit before, you know, I don't even know what's going on in the world right now. It's hard to keep track. There's so much shit going on, so I'm just gonna go. So funny. Alright, guys, I keep saying I'm gonna leave, and I just keep not leaving because you guys are funny. I love you guys. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, gang. Deuces. Thanks, King. Peace out.